Hi everyone, this is part 2 of our video about using Zoom. In this part of the video, we are going to talk about downloading Zoom onto your smartphone. So I have an Android smartphone which uses Google Play. If you have an iPhone, then you would be going to the Apple Store or to the App Store. Here we're going to go to the Play Store and you're going to find the search bar and you are going to type in Zoom. And it should be like the very first thing that comes up. If you are using an Apple iPhone, when you click on it, it might ask you for your Apple ID. Hopefully that's something you know or already have saved. But it is going to be Zoom Cloud Meetings. So we're just going to go ahead and click install. And then it's going to take a couple seconds to download. Then it's going to install. This could take a couple minutes. If you are at home, which you probably are, you probably want to make sure you're connected to your Wi-Fi because otherwise it's going to use a lot of data. So then we're going to click on open. And then there are a couple different things that you can do. To watch a Zoom, which is what you're doing, you don't actually have to sign up or sign in. So you can go ahead and click on the join a meeting. And the link that we sent you should have a meeting ID. I don't have that with me right now, but you would just type that number that says meeting ID. You would just type that in there and you'd click OK, and then it would take you right to our church service, our worship service. So that's just a really easy way to install Zoom on your phone. And then you do have some join options here. You will want to connect to the audio, so you don't want to change that. That would be this one here. You could choose to turn off your video. So if you don't want people to see you, maybe you're going to plan on sitting your phone down and you're just going to listen, maybe watch. You may want to turn off your video. So you could go ahead and click that. If you want people to be able to see your beautiful smiling face, then you want to leave your video on. All right, and that's how you download Zoom on your phone.